it happened very early on, and it took me time to even understand that this could be a thing where I felt that we all were starting together, but then
Correct.
I was paid much lesser than the male co-actor, and yeah, it's a bullet that you have to bite at that point. But then much later, when you're in the business, you realize that okay, now you have a certain career and you've had few things you've done, so now you can like tell your team this is, and I do that. I have fought for my last few projects. I have like told my manager that this is what I think I deserve, and if it's not happening, I am okay leaving the project, because I do think I'm at a position where I feel that if I think I deserve it and I bring this to the table, I think I should get it.
Yeah.
And if I'm not getting it, I'm okay leaving the project for that.
I'm with her on that because I feel like pay parity exists. I mean, it just is what it is. And I think it's getting better and better because at least there's a conversation about this topic now.
You mean pay disparities?
The disparity, and I feel like the situation is getting better, where it's sometimes, you know, it's a direct translation of what you bring to the table and the numbers you're able to generate. Sometimes it's just pure maths or a business, you know, model which these people have, and you know, this is the actor who's going to bring this kind of a value and this is what their value is. Sometimes it's just numbers. I don't think every single time it can be taken personally, or every single time is it gender based bias. I'm not sure. I do believe there are projects and then there are projects.
That, you know, we have enough anecdotal evidence. Yeah, there is pay disparity, but I have never any proof of it. So when people say, have you been able to sort of be in situations where you've had pay parity, I said, I don't even know how to find out what are the situations. And of course, all of what Nimrat said. And, you know, it's that situation where you don't know. And like any other discrimination, gender discrimination is very subtle. You don't know if anything is because, that's the basic definition of discrimination. You don't know why somebody discriminated against you, whether it was because of your gender, because they just, something they think of, something else is at play, right? You don't know what. So, I mean, just the starting point is that, am I being paid less than somebody else? I have no information on that.